cutting boards, cutting pipes, or cutting steel sections. This DW2703-H multifunctional H-type steel laser processing center can fully address all the issues. A 27-meter ultra-long body and a 3.2-meter wide surface, specially produced for large-scale projects. Large panels, various round and square tubes, as well as complex steel sections, all of these can be handled with ease. Three-dimensional 5-axis laser cutting head. It can simultaneously perform precise groove processing while carrying out the cutting operation. The workpiece does not require any additional processing and can directly meet the welding standards. You no longer need to purchase multiple devices, occupy a large area of space, or coordinate complex production processes. By quickly changing the workbench surface, it enables the free switching of cutting modes for sheet materials, pipes, and steel sections. One example is a highly efficient and flexible production line.